Yeah, guys, in today's video we are going to be making a freshener. You're welcome. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you'll not miss any of our videos. Share to friends and families. We are going to make a freshener, as I said. So guys, making this air freshener, these are the chemical. The Texapon is here, then my perfume and the menthol is all mixed together here, and my color, I have my color here. So I'm using 5 liters of water to mix it. So before you mix it, you have to pour in a Texapon into the container. The mentholin, I have to pour it inside before adding my water. That's all. Your air freshener is ready. Start to package it. I will add my color before packaging it. I'm going to add my color very little.